Hello friends, how are you? I'm Saland Gaur, your mentor. Today I'm going to show you how to use selection command. Then basically there are two types of selection command. First, crossing selection. Second, window selection. Here we can see if I use the left click of my mouse and then move on the drawing sheet towards left side, then I will see here the green rectangle area. That rectangle area is a crossing selection. And when I move it towards right side, it shows a blue rectangle area, which is called by window selection. Now we know how to apply window selection and crossing selection. Now I am going to show you what is the difference between crossing selection and window selection. So if I press left click on into the center of this drawing and move cursor towards left side and click again, you can see here it is rectangle area which is green. So in the quality of crossing selection is if any object inside or touch with this green rectangle area, then it will be those object or lines will be selected. Okay, and now I press left click again and move cursor towards right side, and it shows blue rectangle area. So the blue rectangle area quality is we can see only here one line highlights because it's only select those lines which are completely inside in this blue rectangle area. For the example, as you can see here, a single line, if I draw a line overlap to this line, then I will took a line command and then I will use then, but I cannot see the second line which is overlap, and I want to remove this overlap line. So first I will use crossing selection. So crossing selection, click somewhere and move towards right side, but it is selected both of them, but I want to remove only overlap line. So I will escape and I will go and window selection. I will click left click and I will move toward right side, and then I will comes only half side of the big lines and then click again. It will selected only the overlap line, and I will press either right click and delete button. So I will click right click, it will comes razor, then I will click razor, then it will be deleting, then it will be remove overlay. Okay friends, so by use of that method we can use windows and crossing selection. I will make next video on zoom command. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share for my motivation. Friends, thank you. Thank you for watching.